Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a YouTube video thumbnail in DesignBeast, which is a 6-in-1 graphic design and animation suite. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch my video review to learn more. So I'm logged into my DesignBeast account. I'm in the dashboard area. We're going to use the all-in-one design and mockup engine app. I'll click on this blue arrow button to open the app. You can use the search box to look for specific templates, or use this carousel down below. As you can see, these are many of the popular sizes for different social media platforms, and here is the one for the YouTube video thumbnail. So let me click on it. This will display all the YouTube video thumbnail templates. I'll choose this yoga template. You'll see the dialog box to upload a logo. You can skip it if you wish. I'll click here, choose my image, and click open. So here is my uploaded logo. I'll click proceed. The app will load the template and will open the editor. I'll start by clicking on the welcome text box, and I'll change the text to top 10. You can change the font, color, size, and other formatting here. I'll leave it as is and then click on the next text box and change the text to yoga poses. I'll do the same for the third text box. I also went ahead and changed the font sizes for all the text boxes by dragging the handles. Next, I'll click on this purple shape behind the yoga poses text box. You'll see the shape settings here. I'll click on this color box and change it to dark gray. Similarly, I went ahead and changed the colors of the other elements in the template. Next, I'll click on the image and use the delete key on my keyboard. Next, I'll click the image button in the left side panel. Here you can access millions of royalty-free images from Pixabay and Pexels. I'll type yoga in the search box and use this yoga image. As you can see, it's placed it in the preview section. I'll click on the layers button in the top toolbar and choose send to back. As you can see, it sent the image to the back. Now let me reposition the image by dragging it with my mouse, like so. Next, I'll click on the image icon in the top toolbar and choose Effects. You'll see several filters here. Let me scroll down. I'll choose this black and white option. And as you can see, the image color has changed. Next, I'll adjust the position of this logo and delete the text, like so. I'll also rename the project, like so. And finally, I'll use the download button. You'll see this dialog box. I'll choose the PNG file format and click download. You'll see this dialog box. Click OK. And here is the YouTube video thumbnail. As you can see, that was pretty quick. Let me go back to the app. I'll click on this down arrow and choose Dashboard, which will take me back to the main DesignBeast dashboard. And if I go to My Projects, you can see that my project file has been saved here, so I can edit it later if I want to. But that's pretty much it. DesignBeast is available at a special low one-time price during launch. Check the link in the description section. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.